Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 5G S938B/DS is a remarkable addition to the Galaxy line, pushing boundaries in both performance and design. With its sleek aesthetics and robust build, this device immediately impresses. The sleek glass and metal finish not only feels premium in hand but also makes it stand out in a crowd. The 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED display is a visual delight, boasting a resolution of 3088 by 1440 pixels. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and responsiveness, making it perfect for gaming and multimedia consumption. Whether you're streaming videos or playing graphically intensive games, the visuals are nothing short of stunning. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and equipped with 12GB of RAM, performance is top-notch. Multitasking is a breeze, and apps load with lightning speed. The 256GB internal storage provides ample space for apps, photos, and videos, and the dual SIM feature adds convenience, making it easy to manage personal and work numbers. Camera capabilities are another highlight of the S25 Ultra. The rear camera system includes a 200MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and 2 telephoto lenses, enabling outstanding photography. Whether in bright sunlight or low-light conditions, the photos capture remarkable detail and clarity. The 100x space zoom feature is impressive, allowing for detailed shots from a distance, although the quality does decrease at maximum zoom. Battery life is equally commendable, with the 5000 mAh battery easily lasting a full day under heavy usage. Fast charging and wireless charging options offer flexibility for users on the go. One area for improvement could be the software experience, as some users may find Samsung's One UI a bit overwhelming. However, the customization options are extensive, allowing users to tailor their experience. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 5G is a powerhouse of a smartphone, ideal for anyone seeking cutting-edge technology, exceptional photography capabilities, and